My name is Likhith. I joined JSPIDERS 1.5 months back. I'm a BTech computer science student from Reva University. I'm a 2024 pass out actually. I joined 1.5 month for a Java full stack course as a JSPIDERS. When I see the crowd here, I was doubt that I may get job or not. But after once the course was started, the faculties, the way they teach, how they approach us, it was good. And mainly SQL Ramkrishna sir, he helped me in many aspects like grooming classes, and Dhanush sir, who took my aptitude and communication. For me personally also they were helping. They added for requirement within 1.5 months itself. I completed my mocks, everything. Then after that, they added for me a role of SQL developer with a package of 4.3. I cleared all the roles and got placed in this company. Now all the faculties, they personally helped, and they wherever I am lacking, they help me in all the aspects. And thank you for all the faculties who helped me and make me to place in this. I can say it is a better coaching center. Only if you are ready to give your 100%, 100% you will get placed. Thank you for all the faculties, and thank you JSPIDERS Basavanagudi.